Hi everyone, I'm Lisbeth. Thank you for tuning in on Moseholm Yoga. This is a small and very simple exercise you can do anytime during your day. Maybe a break during work, maybe after work, or a break during your studies. Anytime at all that you feel like your eyes are getting a bit tired. All you need to do is just find a comfortable seated position. Anyhow you sit nice and tall. Then you take your palms, bring them together, and then you rub your hands against each other, creating a lot of heat, a lot of energy, making them nice and warm. So just really rub them all you can to create lots of warmth and lots of energy here. And then you close your eyes and bring your palms to your eyes. Just gently press your palms against your eyes. Take a deep breath in by your nose. Long, slow breath out by your mouth. Deep breath in. Long, slow breath out. One more deep breath in here. And a long, slow breath out. And then just keep your eyes closed as you remove your hands. And again, you bring your palms together. You rub them against each other to create lots of warmth and lots of heat and lots of energy here, making them nice and warm. And when you're ready, again, you place your palms towards your eyes and just kindly, gently press them towards your eyes still closed. Take a deep breath in and long, slow breath out. 2 more deep breaths here. Deep breath in by your nose. Long, slow breath out by your mouth. 1 more deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. And still keep your eyes closed as you remove your hands. Again, you bring your palms together. And one last time, you rub them against each other to create lots of heat and lots of energy. And when you're ready, again, you place your palms towards your eyes. Eyes closed, shoulders relaxed. And just gently press your palms towards your eyes. Deep breath in. Long, slow breath out. 2 more deep breath in. And long, slow breath out by your mouth. 1 more deep breath in here. Deep breath in by your nose. And a long, slow breath out by your mouth. And keep your eyes closed as you remove your hands. And just gently let your palms rest to your thighs. Relax your shoulders back and down. Maybe gentle sway side to side. And already now, with your eyes still closed, you can feel how you're gently inviting the lights back in. See if you can find a relaxing sensation behind your eyelids. All together, we take another deep breath in. This time you let your arms float out to the sides and all the way up high. At the top, you can open your eyes. And then bring your palms together again, closing your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Relax your shoulders back and down. One last time all together, a deep breath in. And a long, slow breath out. Just simply notice your heart pumping. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. Namaste. I hope you feel good. I hope you felt a nice relaxation to your eyes. See you soon.